Dang, you look short.
I am short.
Hey guys, it is Friday and this is an unscheduled video, but we wanted to get some information out to you guys. Number one on Vicki and kind of her situation, and I'll let her take that, but also the VO2, we've only got 1 week left. So a lot of you guys have already donated, but just to reiterate, in case you guys don't know, we are doing a raffle. All of this and lots more will be given away on our raffle, which will be a week from today on Friday the 6th, I think.
We have stuff coming from David.
Yes.
From I say David, but that's because that's who I know. From the VO2 guys over there, they're sending stuff over for us to raffle also.
Yeah, we got a whole bunch of paraphernalia and shirts. Frank. Yeah, and then we've got some cups, some mugs. Oh, I was going to bring one out. I forgot. Yeah. But some coffee mugs, 5 coffee mugs that somebody will win that Frank Jenkins down there in Texas is donating. So we've got a whole bunch of stuff. All of these signs were made by Ryan or I, except for this one. And I wanted to show this off. This was actually made by Henry Satterfield last year during the raffle, but it got here late, so I saved it for this year. So this one is a Henry Satterfield special, and it's just fantastic. He does
beautiful work.
Just fantastic. So anyway, we'll go over some more details on that. But without further ado,
this one's my favorite.
That one is really cool. I like the edge.
I like the board.
Yeah, see, I like this one, but because of that chainsaw edge. But
although that one,
this one is really cool too.
But anyway, I didn't want to get rid of that one. Although I like Batman and I like everything, but I have no place to put it.
Yeah. Well, I really like the way the edge came out on this. We actually did it with the saw. But anyway, so we'll go over some details on how you can donate and all of that. But in the meantime, why don't you give them an update on how you're doing?
I finished chemo 2 weeks ago, 2.5 weeks ago. And doing well. I had a lumpectomy instead of, it was supposed to, when we first made the plan, before my chemo was done, the plan was a double mastectomy, and the chemo worked so well and the tumor shrunk so much that we went to a lumpectomy instead of a double mastectomy, which was way good. And in between my finished chemo and my surgery, a week after chemo,
yeah, I think so.
I had to have an emergency surgery because I had an ulcer perforate my intestines. So basically an ulcer exploded in my stomach. So that was very fun. I was in this hospital for 6 days, got out of the hospital, made them release me pretty much so that I could go to Texas for a Texas trip.
Yep.
So I was out on one day, and the next morning we left for Texas, made it back, recuperated, had surgery. It went phenomenal. I have an amazing crew of doctors and nurses. Just, I can't tell you how awesome the Kingman Regional Medical Center staff is. They're just amazing. So now I'm doing good. I'm recovering. My tasters are coming back, so food is beginning to taste a little bit better. So I'm eating a little bit more. I lost way too much weight that I got to put back on, so...
But they got, on the surgery, from what I understand, they got it all.
They got it all, and I got, there's a portal that you can go to on the computer for all your medical records and everything. I looked at it, my reports for my tests after the tumor was removed, and I think it said that it's all gone. I mean, everything was negative, negative, negative. So, fingers crossed, prayers said, I'll find out a week from this coming Tuesday.
No, we're coming Tuesday. Yeah, this is Friday.
Oh,
like in 4 days, we go to the doctor.
We go to the doctor and we'll find out more.
The post-op stuff.
Yes. So I will keep you posted there. But everything's looking good. I'm getting some strength back. I'm starting to eat a little bit better. Not quite so, I won't say depressed, but just kind of feeling drug out, exhausted, fatigued, feeling sorry for myself, kind of, you know, all that fun stuff. But I'm coming out of it. I'm doing better. So
hair's starting to grow back?
My hair's starting to grow back. I'm not going to show you that because you can't see it because it's white.
Super fine and white, yeah.
And it is white. So when it grows back a little bit and I get it colored, then I'll show it to you. Anyway, that's about it. I'm doing fantastic. It's just one day at a time. Some days better than the others. And every day is still better than the day before. So that's about it for me.
Okay, good. So, getting back to the VO2, these guys are phenomenal. If you guys haven't, checked them out, go check them out. I'll try and put links to everything below. But what we're doing this year, rather than sending the money to us, Vicki set up a GoFundMe that I will put a link in the description below. And for a $10 donation, you are in the raffle to win one of these. And for every $10 donation, you get another ticket in the bucket, a chance to win one of these. And we're shipping these for free. So wherever they go.
Domestically only,
yeah, domestic only, unfortunately. Otherwise, it'll really kill us. But domestic only, we're shipping all these for free. So these will each be one ticket drawn. So you've got a lot of chances to win. Again, we've got more stuff coming. So there'll be a bunch of prizes, a bunch of stuff available. And every $10 ticket or every $10 donation gets a ticket.
We haven't decided, or we haven't really talked about if they can win more than once.
Yeah, we haven't talked about that.
Yeah, we'll let you know on that.
Yeah, we'll let you know. But anyway, all the links will be in the description below. If you have any questions, please email me, eric@makeawoodsign.com, or
me, Vicki, at makeawoodsign.com.
Yes.
And we're wearing our shirts.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know if you can
that's
see.
right. Yeah, we wanted to, in case you guys didn't know, VO2 actually did a fundraiser for us.
Yes, they did, to help with, almost went forward. Which, the day I got the check from VO2's fundraiser, and it's all thanks to you guys.
Yeah, you guys did that.
You guys did that. I had to come up with a little bit over that amount before I had my surgery.
Yeah.
I mean, literally the day before I had surgery, they're like, oh yeah, we need you to come up with $3,000 before they'll do the surgery, which was the next morning at 8:30.
So, yeah.
So we got that check. Fortunately, it was almost enough to pay that whole $3,000. So.
And we thank you guys for that, because without you purchasing these T-shirts and VO2 doing that for us,
I'd still be waiting to have surgery.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. Anyway, so thank you guys so much, and we kind of hope that you will throw in $10 here and there, so we can send them to Dallas. That's what this is all about. They're doing World's Toughest Mudder early next month, early in November. They're all going from Colorado down there to do World's Toughest Mudder, and we're helping them try to pay for their expenses.
Anything we can do to help our veterans, and that's what these guys do.
Yeah.
They're veterans, and they're struggling with PTSD and all kinds of other issues, and this is therapy for them. So anything we can do, and you guys, I am not above begging for a $10 donation. I have no pride whatsoever when it comes to that. Whatever it takes to get our help for our veterans, that's what I would like to do.
So, anyway,
I'm begging.
I think that's a great way to leave it right there. Yeah. So, thank you guys so much for all of the support, for everything that you've done for us, and hopefully what you'll help with the veterans and VO2. Thank you to the VO2 guys for what you did for us.
Yes, thank you.
We love you guys, and we will see you for the drawing a week from today on October 6th. I think I got that right.
I think so.
Anyway, we love you guys. We'll see you later.
Bye, guys.
Bye.